Hey everyone, this is Techno DLSK, and I decided to make a video to clear everything up about my 2K13 hack that I made a couple days ago. And I don't know why, but people said they can't download it. So look, I'm on my video, and then there we go. First you have to download this one. So I just click on it, and look, it downloads for me. I don't know why. And then you click over here, you click download. And then you have to have Winrar. So you have to first go to Google, go to the Google, wait till the Google loads, and you have to download Winrar. So yeah, just go to like download Winrar, install it, and then go back and then install NBA 2K13. So here we go, it popped up in the bottom. So I'm just gonna go open it, and it's right here. Then what you want to do is extract it to your desktop. So just make sure your desktop, you can see your desktop, hold it and put it on. There we go. Then you just double click on it. What's all this stuff? You just basically double click on it and it works. And now this is only for SP skill points. There we go. Now file, and you open your file. This is only for SP because VC is only online. So, and 2K made it so you cannot do VC hack. There's only an SP hack, which is an offline hack, and you can only use this guy offline. So that's all you have to do is open, and it's max SP. So don't ask me about like anything about VC because it's only SP. There's no such thing as a VC hack, because then everyone would do it then. And you can only use this guy offline, so make sure you are offline while you do this. And you have to transfer your My Player. Some people ask me about that. Basically, make your My Player account, go to your desktop, your dashboard, go to storage, transfer the save file to a USB. Then you open, on my video I showed you the USB extractor, and you extract that file onto your desktop. So that's how you do everything. And that's basically all. So it's only SP, that's how you open the file. I don't know why people had trouble with it, but anyway, thanks for watching.